Hey guys, and today we're going to be making another roleplay in Toka Life World or Toka Beta. And guys, if you have noticed, my house resetted. Actually, no, it didn't reset. I resetted it. So I can have a fresh new start, you know? And yeah, so there might be some differences in this house, but it's all fine. They're kind of still the same. So, part 1 of the thunderstorm. Huh? Morning already? Seriously? Okay. Let's get some of them. Gonna wake up JJ in a bit. But first, let's get a nice warm bath. Now, since it's time for a bath, I got some clothes, some towels and robes that I just that I just washed. So there you go. I'm in my robe. Which one should I wear today? Yeah, I'm gonna wear this one. And guys, I'm so sorry if my sister enters. Yeah, she just did. Well, if you hear my sister or the door creaking, I'm so sorry, but you have to deal with it. My sister is here, so please, I'm so sorry. Let's get some nice warm bath. Let's put some shampoo on. Wow. Yeah, I love this type of shampoo. It's actually the best shampoo I've ever got yet. Let's put some conditioner. There you go. Let's put some of this on as well. Okay. Oh my days. Close the tap! Thank you. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Close. Oh my days. Get it in! Mommy. Why does it have to be that complicated? Mommy. Okay, sorry. Okay, my sister's gone. Now, I'm going to go put my contact lens on. So, pause the role play. Guys, I actually don't know which one comes first, the eye drop or the contact lens. But I think it's this one, yeah. Let's put game on. So, let's put some of these on. Now, the contact lens. Okay, that should be fine. Okay. Let's go. Put some of toothpaste. Put the wipers on. Okay. I brushed my teeth. I better wake up JJ now. JJ, wake up. Oh, it's morning already. Yeah, it's morning already. Okay, I'll get up. Thank you. I'm gonna wake up the kids. Alright. I'm going to wake up Ezekiel first because he thinks that he's a big boy and that he can just wake up and just once say wake up. So I'm just going to wake him up. Ezekiel, wake up. Meanwhile, JJ. Okay, I might as well just get ready for the day. This should be fine. Yeah, I'm all done. I'm just gonna wake up baby Michelle. Baby Michelle, wake up. Baby Michelle, baby Michelle. Okay, baby Michelle is not waking up. I'm just gonna figure out something to wake her up. Okay. Ezekiel, wake up. Huh? It's morning? Yes. I thought that you would wake up and just once say wake up. I didn't. Yes, you didn't. Oops. Sorry. It's okay. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Okay. Let's get you ready. You don't have school today because they say that there's a huge storm coming. A huge store coming? Store? A store in our house? Oh, see, I don't mean store. I mean storm. A storm? There's gonna be a storm? Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. It's okay. It's okay. They say that it will be in like at the afternoon, so it's gonna be fine. Okay, if you say so. Okay, let's get you ready. Don't worry too much because it's in the afternoon. It's probably just a little storm, you know? Okay. Let's go get you dressed. Let's go play on my iPad. Okay. Whew. Glad that didn't panic too much. But this sure will panic. Anyways, let's get this baby up. Rose. No, not Rose. Her name is not Rose. Jade, wake up. Jade, lovely, wake up. Morning! Yay, it's morning! There's a big storm coming! What? A big storm! There's a big storm! No! Calm down! Okay. It's just a tiny storm. Yay! Tiny storm! I can go outside and play. Oh, no, you won't. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's get you dressed. Okay. You're all set? Need my iPad. Thank you, Bubba. You're welcome. Let's get you guys in the elevator so I won't have to keep balancing my phone in my head. Okay, now let's just wait for the others. Okay, I found a way to wake up her. So let's just go down. Hey guys. Hi. Let's go downstairs. Whoa. Okay. Yes. We're downstairs. Yay. Guys, don't be too much excited. There's literally a storm hitting us. What? There's a tornado coming. No, honey, it's not a tornado. It's just a big storm coming. What? Kids, go upstairs, charge your iPads, take Mommy and Daddy's phone with you, okay? It's gonna be okay. I'm scared. Don't worry. They said it's gonna be in the afternoon, so we still got a lot of time to prepare. But wake up your sister as well. Oh my days. I might make breakfast. Oh my gosh, I need to warn the school about this. Honey, they're already on it. No, I'm gonna warn them like 5,000 times. Okay? Jeez. Not my problem. If we are, oh well. Okay, we need to charge our iPad and Mommy's iPad and Mommy's cell phones. So let's just read them over here first. Okay, I'm charging my iPad. And my Apple Pen's charging. Okay. Give me your iPad. You go charge Mommy and Daddy's iPad. You're gonna go charge Mommy and Daddy's phone. Okay. OMG, I am really scared. Wait, where's your charger? Oh, there's your charger. Okay. Charge one, there. Charge one. Okay. Sister, where is your charger? Well, I'm sorry that you don't belong in this room. My charger is all the way under my bed. My Apple Pen goes up there. See? Okay. Whatever, brother. Okay. Let's go wake up Sissy now. Slide, big sister. Huh? Guys, you literally scared me. Anyways, what's up? Mommy and Daddy told us to wake you up because there's a big dynamo storm coming. What? Didn't you get the alert on your phone? No. Open it. There is! OMG, I need to charge my phone. It's literally on 3%. Don't worry, it's in the afternoon. It's in the afternoon. Then all of you will have to hide in my rooms. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. This is actually a bit scary because I don't like being in a room with you guys, but I guess if it's the way out of here. Okay, Fluffy, you gotta stay here. You need to sleep. I'm gonna get dressed, so go the other way. Play restaurants or something. OMG, I am so scared, guys. What do I do? I mean, I'm in the attic, so I'm definitely fine. But, like, I'm still panicking, but, guys, I'm ready to go. Let's go downstairs and eat breakfast. Okay. Guys, I made food to sit on the dinner table. Dinner? I mean breakfast table. Okay, I've worn the school about 5,000 times already, so you should be able to eat. After they finish eating. Okay. Mom, is it okay? Can I watch the news? Because it's getting a bit rainy outside. Rainy? It's getting a bit rainy. It's okay, guys. We got plenty of food. It's fine. We can do it. Let's go watch the news. Hello, guys. This is a reminder for you guys that there's a big storm heading this way. So please, if you don't have an attic, head to the shelter immediately. Anyone that's outside, please go to your houses, to your attics. Please prepare everything that you need. This is my greatest news for today. Here's another sled coming down. Oh no, there is a storm coming. Mom, there's a storm coming. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Don't worry, guys. We can do this. The lights just went out. What are we gonna do, Mom? We need to stock up some food. Yeah, we need to get prepared. Everyone head to the attic. Me and your dad are just gonna prepare. Let's go. Let's get some hot chocolate because the kids won't survive for that hot chocolate at all. Let's go. Okay, jeez. Let's go.